Hey babes, jumping right into the video. So as you can see, I already have my hair braided up in I guess like some cornrows. I have about 4 cornrows going to the back, and then I've already parted out my little space that I'm going to use for a leave out. So the braids are not neat at all. If you need some assistance with that, definitely make sure to grab a friend. I'm going to be taking 2 of the wig caps. I'm using the color black and then some Salon Pro 30-second hair glue. You can actually find this in the beauty supply store. And then just to make sure that I do not like put any glue or tracks in the area where my leave out is, I'm taking a light colored pen. I believe this is like an eyeliner pencil, just to kind of carve out that area. And then I'm going to apply the second cap. So if you guys have not seen my quick weave videos already, I have like probably at least 10 now. So definitely make sure to check that out. They're pretty much the same each time, but I'm going to continue to kind of show you the start to finish process. So first track, I always bring it up near my ears, and so just kind of measure that out and then cut it in the area that I need to, and then I just apply the glue. So I know some people like to use those protective, I believe it's like glue protectants and things like that, or they want to sit under the dryer with a gel or use a blow dryer to really hold the tracks in place. I literally just go with the flow. Like, the heat of my head is really warm anyway, so it definitely helps to warm up the glue to allow it to dry just a little bit faster. And as you can see, this is really quick. It takes about maybe 30 minutes to actually apply all the tracks and things like that, and then of course the styling is another maybe 15 to 30 minutes. So the style is really quick and efficient, and the quick weaves usually last for a while. Now what I was just showing you is the way that I'm going to lay the tracks. Because I have a side part, I definitely want to make sure that all of the tracks are not just going in a U motion, but they make sense. So I want most of the hair to be on my right side, your left, I guess the way you're watching it, right? But yeah, I want it to be on that side so that I'm able to pretty much have everything going towards my face, and that, you know, it's just laid out appropriately. I don't know how else to say that. But yeah, you guys want to know how long the quick weave lasts. Typically I would say about a month. It can last longer if you decide to wash your hair in a quick weave. I'm so sorry. I've been telling you I'm going to show you how to wash your hair in a quick weave. I did not do that with this video. No worries, it's coming, I promise. I've been saying that for way too long. But anyway, yeah, so if you guys are wondering, I don't actually sew down the caps. I know some people do that. If you feel the need to do it, definitely do what you have to do, but it's glue, so it's definitely going to stay. Like, I've never had an issue with the caps falling back, moving, or slipping off or anything like that. I definitely use enough tracks with enough glue to where everything just stays in place. So, and if you guys are concerned about, you know, the glue and is it going to stay in your hair, how to remove it, things like that, I actually have 2 videos as well on how to remove the quick weave wigs as well. So that'll be down in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. And I'm right here, I'm just kind of getting rid of any excess pieces or excess pieces of cap, and I'm just going to continue to just lay the track. So this was really easy. Like I said, if you do need a little bit of assistance, I definitely recommend getting more than one mirror or having someone else help you to just kind of finish out the last track. But either way, it's really simple. Trial and error. You can truly not go wrong with this. I don't know how you could, but yeah. So definitely make sure to check out the hair. This is Julia Hair. I've worked with them plenty of times before. I believe they sent me, it was 3 bundles of a 16-inch. I believe so. If I'm mistaken, I'll definitely leave everything down below. They are doing a really big holiday sale, so make sure to check out the company for the sake of Christmas purposes, just to go ahead and get your bundle needs. So this is a body wave hair, and like I said, I'm going to go ahead and press it out once everything is pretty much complete, and then pop back in. Alright babes, so just to kind of finish this up, I'm going to go ahead and just cut out the track. Just kind of let it dry midway, I would say, just so that the glue is not kind of like running everywhere, and just apply it into the parting area. So you should be good. And just kind of take your time with this. You don't want to move too much while you're doing this. You definitely want to make sure that the track is laying exactly where you want it to be, so that you have a little bit more control, and like I said, you aren't getting the glue like on your actual leave out. Alright, and this is pretty much what the final result looks like. From here, all that I have to do is just kind of go through my hair and straighten it out. The hair did come down fairly, I guess, to a decent length. It was like about bra strap length, and then I did go ahead and just kind of trim it up. You know, never think a weave is done until it's trimmed up. And so I'm going to go ahead and take my Babyliss flat iron just to really smooth the hair. I didn't put any product on my hair outside of like an oil. It's definitely time to trim my ends, but I put like a hair oil from when I originally, like, you know, blow dried my hair out, but nothing too crazy outside of that. And yeah, this is supposed to be a protective style, so definitely try your best not to straighten your hair too much. I know that can be really tough, but definitely do the best that you can. The way that I'm going to tie this up, or the way that I did tie this up, is just with a nice satin scarf, and then I put a bonnet over the top of it. You know, you can pull it back into a ponytail, whatever works for you. Some people like to wrap it, but I find that wrapping it, I still end up having to flat iron my hair unless it's like greasy. Then that's another story. But yeah, so I decided not to leave out too much hair, like going all around the perimeter, because again, I'm going to be mostly wearing it in a style where you get to kind of see the bang, so you won't even see the right side of my head technically. You know, wind blows, I don't really see that happening. But yeah, so that's that. I did end up taking what was it, a hot comb, yeah, just to kind of really go through my hair. Just, I don't know, my hair wasn't straightening as like normal, so I think it was kind of dry, honestly. So yeah, just taking that out. This is what this looks like. So definitely make sure to leave any like comments or questions down below that you guys still have about the quick weaves. I can definitely do like a Q&A video if you want something more specific and dedicated to me just simply answering I guess all of the questions you might have as far as maintenance and things like that go. Okie dokie. So once I kind of get that straightened out, I'm just trying to really make sure everything is pressed, which it technically could have been pressed just a little bit more. But yeah, so I'm just going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you kind of figure out your part, I did not leave out much hair. I'd probably about maybe less than an inch of hair was left out. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my edge control just to kind of clean up my edges. I believe I was using the Ebon edge control. Actually, I was. It was the one in the purple top. I know that they have like a mega hold and then the super hold, so that was the one I was using. And I'm just gonna smooth that through. So I did go ahead and straighten out the hair, and this is pretty much the final style. Alright, so I did go ahead and actually trim up the hair just a tiny bit. I did go ahead and kind of add some layers here. So as you can see, it's kind of looking like an Aaliyah bang bun. Anyway, so I'm gonna kind of just shape that, not too much. I didn't really make many changes to it. I did anticipate curling it eventually, so that will be my next video regarding the hair, so definitely make sure to stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try some flexi rods, so we'll see. Y'all, my hair still kind of looks frizzy. I'm really thinking my hair must have been like really dry. Ugh, that's kind of irritating, but nevertheless. So definitely let me know what you guys think about it. I hope this was really quick and easy and you guys enjoy these types of videos. Other than that, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.